Hello there. After all the disruptions caused by Storm Arwen yesterday, things are looking much quieter across the UK today, but you can see there's still quite a lot going on. We've got this little feature sinking its way southwards, and for us, we'll still see one or two showers as we go through this afternoon. If you catch one of those showers, they could be wintry in nature too. Although further towards the west, the best of the sunshine here, but wherever you are today, it's cold out there, highs of just 3 degrees. And as we go through this evening and tonight, still one or two showers around for a time, and then overnight, for most of us, it's going to become largely dry out there, clearing skies. That's going to allow those temperatures to fall below freezing. So we are expecting a widespread frost, and there will be some icy stretches out there too. Bye-bye. Hello there. Well, after a stormy start to the weekend, things are looking much quieter for many as we go through today. But you can see across the UK, we have got this feature here that's sinking its way southwards, and still a few showers out towards the east of us. So as we go through the day, there may just be the odd shower around at times. If you catch one, it could be wintry, but for most it will be dry, sunny spells out there. But wherever you are, it's cold today again, highs there up to 3 degrees. Now as we go through this evening and tonight, there may be the odd shower around, but for most of us it will be dry, clearing skies out there. That's allowing those temperatures to tumble, so falling well below freezing tonight. There will be a widespread frost. If you do happen to see a shower, there is the risk of some ice too. Bye-bye. Hello again. Well, after a stormy, wintry weekend, things are looking a little calmer as we go into the new week. But overall, our weather will be a changeable setup. So at times there will be some sunshine. There'll also be a few showers. It's going to be cold at first, so there will be some frost and ice before the temperatures recover on Tuesday, then set to turn colder by the end of the week. So this is the bigger picture at the moment. You can see we've lost that stormy weather, and you can see lighter winds as we go through Monday and still feeling cold. However, on Tuesday, the winds will start to strengthen once again, so a breezy day here, but the airflow is coming off the Atlantic, which means nowhere near as cold as what it has been of late. Now let's come back to the rest of this evening. You can see we've still got further showers feeding in at times. These once again could be a little bit wintry in places, although by the end of the night, for most of us, it will be largely dry out there, clearing skies, a widespread frost, very cold out there. And there is the risk of some icy stretches too, so do bear that in mind tomorrow morning if you are travelling out and about. Cold, frosty and icy out there at first, with a chance of one or two showers. For most of us though, on Monday it will be bright and sunny, but once again feeling rather cold. Hello again. Well, after a stormy, wintry weekend for many, things are looking a little calmer as we go into the new week. You can see lighter winds across the UK. However, as we go into Tuesday, the winds once again will start to strengthen, so it will be turning breezy out there. The difference this time though is the winds will be feeding in off the Atlantic, so nowhere near as cold as what it has been. In fact, for a time, temperatures should be back to where they should be for the time of year before it turns colder again as we go into the second part of the week. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of tonight, still one or two showers around. If you catch one of those showers, they could be wintry in places. But for most of us, overnight, a largely dry picture, clear skies, chilly temperatures, so falling below freezing away from the towns and cities here. And that's going to allow a widespread frost. And where we do see some showers, there is the risk of some icy stretches too. So do bear that in mind tomorrow morning. A cold, crisp start to the day tomorrow, some frost and ice in places. Maybe the odd shower as we go through the day, but for most of us, it's a dry picture out there, plenty of sunshine on offer. It's another cold day though. Again, temperatures there up to around 3 or 4 degrees at best. Bye-bye. Hello again. Well, we've certainly had a lot going on throughout this weekend. Very strong winds and wintry showers in places. Now, the Met Office do have a weather warning force for tonight and into tomorrow morning. As where we've seen the showers throughout today, there is the risk of some icy stretches, so do watch out for that. Now, overall though, as we go into Monday, it's going to be a quiet and calm day for many. You can see not much wind around, but then as we go into Tuesday, once again, those winds will start to strengthen. The difference is this time, the wind will be coming in off the Atlantic, which means nowhere near as cold as what it has been. In fact, briefly, our temperatures will be back to where they should be for the time of year. Now, in the meantime though, for the rest of tonight, very cold out there. Still got one or two showers in places, and again there could be some sleet and snow mixed in here too. But for most of us, actually, overnight, a largely dry picture, clear skies, a widespread frost underneath those chilly temperatures. And as I say, there is the risk of some ice too, so it could be a very cold rush hour tomorrow morning, but there will be plenty of sunshine across the region. Chance of the odd showers as we go through the afternoon, but for most of us, dry, sunny, but feeling very cold once again. Hello again. Well, there's certainly been a lot going on this weekend. Very strong winds and wintry showers in places. We now have a Met Office yellow weather warning in force where the showers have been falling. There is the risk of some icy stretches too, so do take care if you are heading out and about. Now let's take a look at what's happening for the new week though. You can see it's fairly quiet out there, not much wind around, but then those winds will start to strengthen as we go into Tuesday. But the difference is this time with the airflow coming in off the Atlantic, it's not going to feel anywhere near as cold as what it has been. In fact, briefly our temperatures will be back to where they should be for the time of year. Now in the meantime though, for the rest of tonight, still a few showers around again. There could be some sleet and snow mixed in there too, although for most of us as we edge overnight, it's a largely dry picture, clear skies, temperatures falling below freezing, so there will be a widespread frost, and as I mentioned earlier, the risk of some icy stretches too. So very cold start today on Monday morning, frosty, perhaps icy in places, but there will be plenty of gorgeous sunshine out there. It's staying dry throughout tomorrow, but once again, wrap up warm. It's going to be another cold one. Bye bye. Hello there. Well, it's a cold, calm start to the day this morning with frost and some ice in places. Do watch out for that. Small chance of the odd shower today, but for most of us staying fine and dry, plenty of sunshine, but make sure you wrap up warm. It's another cold one. Highs there up to around 4 degrees at best. Bye bye. Hello there. Well, it's a cold, calm start to the day this morning with frost and ice in places. Do watch out for that. For most of us though, it's staying dry throughout today. Plenty of sunshine out there, but make sure you keep those extra layers handy. It's another cold one. We're looking at highs there up to around 4 or 5 degrees at best. Hello again. Well, after a stormy, wintry weekend across the UK, things are looking much quieter to start the new week. So you can see in this picture here, not much wind around as we go into Monday. Although by Tuesday, those winds once again will start to strengthen. Only this time they'll start to come in from the Atlantic, which means nowhere near as cold as what it has been. Our temperatures briefly will be back to where they should be for the time of year. Now in the meantime though, for the rest of tonight, it's going to be very, very cold out there. Brace yourselves. Now there is the chance of 1 or 2 showers. If you catch one of those showers, could be wintry, but for most of us it will be dry, but we've got clear skies, temperatures falling well below freezing away from the towns and cities, so a widespread frost tonight. And if you do happen to catch a shower, there is the risk of some icy stretches too. So it goes without saying it's going to be a very cold start to your Monday morning, but hopefully many of us greeted by plenty of sunshine. Small chance of the odd shower as we go through the afternoon, but for most of us it is going to be a fine and dry day. Dazzling sunshine, light winds, but wrap up warm. It's another very cold day. Highs out there up to around 4 or 5 degrees at best. Hello and a very good evening to you. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday. Well, winter certainly arrived throughout this weekend. It's been feeling bitterly cold out there. The new week once again is going to get off to a cold start too, but you can see here not much wind around. However, those winds will start to strengthen once again as we move into Tuesday. The only difference this time though is it will start to draw in our air from the Atlantic, which means not feeling anywhere near as cold as what it has been in recent days. Now in the meantime though, for the rest of tonight, I hope you've got those extra duvets handy. It's very cold out there, it's dry, we've got clear skies, and that's allowing the temperatures to fall below freezing in places, so a widespread frost out there, and that's going to take us into a very cold start to the day on Monday morning. But as you can see here, it's a dry picture and there will be plenty of sunshine developing, and for most of us actually it's staying fine and dry pretty much throughout the whole day. Blue skies, lots of sunshine, light winds, but you can see here very cold temperatures. Again, we're only looking at highs there of 4 or 5 degrees. And then on Tuesday, as I mentioned earlier, it's going to turn briefly milder, and it holds on Wednesday, but then turning colder again on Thursday. But hopefully there will be much more sunshine. Bye bye. Hello there. Well, it's a cold, calm and frosty start to the day this morning. As you can see here though, plenty of sunshine across the capital. Staying mostly dry as we go through the afternoon, but you'll certainly need to wrap up warm again today. We're looking at highs there up to around 4 or 5 degrees at best.